You really need to see this Bitcoin chart right over here, and we have some other charts that are very important, which could cause for a next move and a major trade setup. So let's dive right away into the chart right now. First of all, I've been talking about this for the last days here. We have been structure-wise, we still in a downtrend, also after this pump towards the upside. A really important point to break was the lower high level right over here, but a very important level to gain is also a very big resistance zone, and currently we are seeing some kind of a rejection from of this resistance line, and this is something you really want to keep your eye on because we really want to see momentum towards the upside break this resistance to continue with the uptrend here, because then we will have a higher low, lower high, lower low, and higher high again, and that's exactly what you want to be seeing here on Bitcoin. For now, we also don't have a really strong rejection towards the downside, which is a really good sign that price is strong enough to hold against this resistance line, so things are looking very good. Also, if you look at this resistance line, trend line here, we can see that we had resistance on the top side here. Another one. Here we had some resistance, and now we currently broke it towards the upside. But the most important part of this is that we are currently exactly retesting and finding support on this old resistance line. So it isn't resistance anymore, it is flipped into support, and that's exactly what you want to be seeing. And I am anticipating on a trade right here because I really think that this is a really bullish signal that the market gives us to open up a trade. Of course, I'm scaling into this one because it really can be that we will drop even a little bit lower here, but things are looking very good in this chart. Also, if we can see, we're still in this major bull flag here, and we didn't break out, and we're still currently trading towards the top side here. But I really think we have some resistance towards the downside right now, but if market picks up momentum right over here, I think we will get that breakout anytime soon, and this will be a very big move here in the markets, because this pattern will bring Bitcoin to 120, 125k here, which is a massive trade you could open right over here. So please make sure to follow me right over on X to never miss a move again, because I really be transparent here. I'm really sharing alpha. If I'm opening trades, I'm fully transparent and posting it right over on my X page. So if you follow me right over there, you will never miss a move again. So things are looking very good there. One thing I really want to be pointing out here, of course, the weekend is starting right now, which could lead for a little bit drop in volatility. So that means that the market or will move only sideways, or there is not much volume into the market, so that's also pretty dangerous against resistance. Then we maybe get a drop towards the downside, and of course we can pump also towards the upside because the volatility is low. It's easier to move the market, so please keep an eye on that one as well. Then if we look at the liquidity map here, we are seeing that we are currently stacking liquidity on both sides here. We have some liquidity stacking above the highs over here, and we have some liquidity stacking off below us. So people are short and will be taken out when we hit this price level, and exactly the same with longs. So I really expect in the weekend that we maybe dump a little bit towards the downside to take all those long people out here, and then move towards the upside to take the short people out and even get a breakout towards the upside, which is pretty bullish, and we can anticipate that on that with a really nice trade here. And then for Ethereum, also something you really want to keep your eye on. We saw a downwards resistance support line, sorry, And now currently it is acting as resistance, so that is something you really want to keep your eye on, because if price drops from of this point, we just had a range and we broke out of it, we retested it perfectly. So if price drops from of this point, it isn't a very bullish signal. But if price gains some momentum and can gain this support zone of resistance zone right now, but flip it into support, we will see a massive move towards the upside here, and approximately we will see a $3,000 Ethereum within weeks here. So yeah, please make sure to be cautious with longing the resistance here, and if you break towards the upside, you could open a very big position on Ethereum towards the 3K here. And then also some very good news for Ethereum. Whales are nearly scooped up 1 million Ethereum in the last 24 hours. And this is the biggest daily buy since 2018. And we can see that whales are currently stepping into the market and smart money is moving into Ethereum, which is a really good sign. And I really think that Ethereum will perform very, very well in the upcoming months. And this is also a very good signal that people and smart money are interested in buying Ethereum here at these prices. And that was it for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and if you like those daily update videos, please make sure to smash up that like button, and then I will see you tomorrow by a new crypto daily update video.